Find the quotient. In this problem, once again, we know we cannot divide fractions. Therefore, we need to keep it, switch our division to multiplication, and flip it. That is the reciprocal. Now you can go ahead and multiply straight across and then simplify if needed. Emily sells bracelets for $12 each. She wants to discount them so that they only cost $9. What percent will she need to discount her bracelets? So we want to go from 12 to 9. 12 is at 100%. We're looking at what percent would be at 9. So in order to go from 12 to 9, you are going to cross multiply. Here is your question mark right here. So you are going to do 9 times 100 divided by 12 is going to give you your answer. 9 times 100 divided by 12 will give you your answer. I will give you a second to figure that out. And you should end up with 75. What that is telling us is that $9 is 75% of the cost. We need to find out how much will the discount be. We're looking for our discount. So we take our full percentage minus 9 is 75% of that. And that will give us the percent of the discount. Write an equivalent expression for 4 parenthesis 2x plus 5 parenthesis. Remember, our parenthesis means times. And this is called the distributive property. So you need to do 4 times 2x. You're leaving your plus in the middle. You're getting an answer on each side. Then you're doing 4 times 5. What you get on each side of the plus sign will be what you should find over in your answers. Which inequality represents the number line below? Well, we have our dot right here is on the 2. So our point is on the 2. We have x, and then we have 2. Our point is on the 2, and it is a closed circle. You need to determine, is that greater than equal to, less than, or less than and equal to. And we know that x is smaller. So this should help you figure out if you're going to choose less than or greater than. Jessica is going to paint the floor of her outdoor patio. It is made up of 2 rectangles. This right here is the number 2. One rectangle measures 7 feet by 4 feet. The other measures 8 feet by 6 feet. What is the total, that's a good keyword, area of her patio? Answer without units. So you need to find the area of shape 1. We have length times width. And here is 1. Then you need to find the area of rectangle 2, which equals length times width. And finally, you're finding the total. So you are taking this area and adding it with this area to get your, total area. A cube, right there's a huge keyword, fish tank has a side length of 12 inches. What is the surface area of the fish tank, including the base and lid? Answer without units. First of all, this is how a cube would kind of look. It's all the same length. So our area equals our length times our width. Since our length and our width are the same thing, because this is a cube, you can go ahead and figure out your area. To find your surface area, you need to take that area that you got from above and multiply it by how many faces does this cube have? Well, we have the front and the back. We have a side here and a side here. And we have a top and we have a bottom. So we are multiplying that area by 6 to get our surface area. The histogram below shows the ages of people who attended a play. Right here, ages of people who attended the play. Which age ranges, here are age ranges, were the highest in attendance? The highest, you're looking here and at the highest. All right, you are going to have more than one answer. If you look at your bars here, you know how many answers you should check. The histogram below shows the ages of people who attended a play. Once again, ages of people who attended a play. This is the same histogram as the problem before. How many people, so we're looking at how many people, that's our frequency, is our people, were between the ages of 5 and 15. 5 and 15. You need to write the number of the frequency of 5 to 15.